Here you can see just I tabbed. Here will be getting some information you can see, and here video also you can see will be showing on like this. All the things you can see and you can do also. You can zoom, you can do anything. Here you can copy also. Like this you can do anything animated you can see. Now top 2 will see. Now top 2 will see score 77. This website name just will see. News, tools, impact, business. Here more things are available, digital files, photographic, etc. Here you can see all 3D prints, how many things are available on YouTube videos, all the thing. And here you can see 3D store design. When we'll tap, all the things will be available, all the designs, all the things. And here also we can tap and we can see. Now you can see just I tapped. Here all the information, all the things are available like this. Very useful will be. Now top 3 will see. Now top 3 website we are seeing. Here also same thing and more information you can see. Here cars, how will work, the speed, capacity. So here you can see all the information will be getting on all the cars, all the information and messages, all the things. Now top 4 will see. Just became top 4 in okay. This website name is the contacts in minute. Okay, I'll give the link below, you can open it. Animated information, how do they work, and that makes pen sure. You can see here we can search also. Here you can see search topics and books, all the things are here available, complete total, all the things are free. all the information, all the things will be available here. Here you can see how we'll be working all the things. Very useful will be 3D animated printers and videos, information, all the things you can see. Now last one, top 5 will see. Now top 5 will see graphicmama. This is a very good website. There more graphic will be getting on here, and 300 plus all the things are available. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.